If you drive a car or you own a car, listen attentively because I'm about to tell you something every driver deals with. When your car breaks down and you take it to the mechanic, do you get it fixed fast or you get it fixed right? See, we all know there's pressure for speed when it comes to, getting our cars back on the road. I get it. Nobody likes being without their car because it throws a wrench in your whole life. Like, we get asked all the time, can't you just do something quick to get me going? The problem is quick often means temporary. Actually, there are dangers of the quick fix. Band-aid fixes, or let's call it first aid fixes, which is the do it quickly repair. This might mask the problem for a bit, but they don't solve it. You could be back in the mechanic's shop sooner than you think. And worse, rushing a job can mean missing something important. That weird noise might be a sign of bigger issue that is about to blow up. And honestly, some rush repairs are downright unsafe. We would never put you at risk just to save a few hours. This is something I explained to one of our customers a few days ago when he reached out to me that his car steering wheel suddenly got hard. Like it was too hard for him to turn the steering, which was because his electric steering pump got damaged after driving through a small amount of water. It was like, please try and get my car fixed and delivered tomorrow. I need it for the weekend. Now, fast forward to working on the car at the workshop. After thorough diagnosis, we discovered his car is having heavy oil leakage. The adjuster was damaged. Fan belt was tearing and already thin. In fact, service was 330 days overdue. That's almost a year and a few other things that were discovered, actually. Now, let's imagine if we had rushed to fix the electric steering pump and deliver the car the next day as requested by the customer. What do you think would have happened next? There would have been another road breakdown, right? Which would cost the customer stress, time, extra expenses, and we would have been, a fool and incompetent and unprofessional actually. Fast forward, we prevented another road breakdown from happening in advance and also made the customer happy and gave him value for the money he paid. So, here is more reasons why doing it right matters. You will have peace of mind. That's the big one. A proper fix means you are not stressing about the same thing, breaking down again. Like you don't have to go back to the mechanical shop every now and then on that particular thing that you fixed. You also have to think long term. If you take care of your car, it takes care of you. That means less breakdowns and more money in your pocket. You're actually saving money actually. And by the way, we use the right parts and the right methods because if it's not good enough for our own cars, then it's not good enough for yours. Okay, can it ever be fast? Here's the thing. Not every repair takes a week. For oil change, for new wiper blades, we can get you in and out. That's the power of maintenance. Keeping up the small stuff prevents those huge and time consuming fixes. We will always be honest about how long something will take and why. There are no surprises, just solutions. We do it the Stella Make way. See, we want to be your partners in car care. That means explaining things, giving options, and doing the work that makes us both proud. Do you need your car back ASAP? We will do our best, but safety and quality will never be sacrificed. The choice is yours. But remember, with cars, choosing right saves you time and trouble in the long run. And at Stella Meg, we are here to help you make those smart choices. Like this video or podcast and subscribe for more car care tips. Do you have a car question? Drop it in the comment section. All questions will be answered and attended to. Are you ready to see the Stella Make difference? Book an appointment today. Send us a DM now or click the link in bio to contact Stella Make. And see you in the next video. And until next time, drive safe.